this video, I'll show you how to share Canva design on WhatsApp. It's very simple. First, log into your Canva account and then go to your Canva design. Let's say I want to share one of my design on WhatsApp. So find your design you want to share. Let's say I want to share this design on WhatsApp. You can do it in two ways. The first method is first go to the home page of Canva and then find all of your design, clicking your designs tab, and then find your design here. Let's say I want to share this design. So click here, this three dot, and you will find there copy link, or you will find this share button. So click share button, and clicking here you will have this option. First, give someone permission of level of access. Let's say click here. You can either only you can access or anyone with the link. So there are two options available here. So if you want to share a link with anyone who also can share it with other people, then you can click this link. Otherwise you can only click here, only you can access. So click here, and now uh, copy the link. So click here and allow view access. Okay, so and now copy the link and share it on your WhatsApp. Just open your WhatsApp, and now let's say I want to this person, and now paste it the link here and click here to share it. So that's it. It's very simple. And now I will show you how you can share the design in the second method. So open your design, and now this is all of your design. Now click the share button, and again first choose the level of access. So let's say this time I want to give someone with this access, anyone with the link. And now just copy the link, and now again go to your WhatsApp and paste the design, and now just enter. Someone you shared this link can enter in the design clicking this link. So this is pretty simple. You can do it very easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. I will read and reply your comment.